Welcome to this FlowPaper tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add a simple intro animation into a flipbook. It's really easy, so let's go step by step. First of all, you need to log in and upload your PDF. Just drag and drop your file here or click Import PDF. Select your file and click Open. FlowPaper will take you to the Create Publication page. Here you'll see lots of different styles to choose from, but for today we're going with the zine style. Click on it and let's pick the first option, Realistic 3D. Now you'll see a screen where you can choose a realistic intro animation. I think the wooden desk looks great, so I'm going to use that. Next, the import settings will pop up, but don't worry about those. We'll leave everything as it is. Just add a title at the bottom and click Continue. FlowPaper will start importing your PDF. And here it is, the intro animation in action. Your publication drops right onto that wooden desk you picked. It looks really nice. On the right side, you'll see the Customize tab. This is where you can change any settings or turn off the intro animation if you want. Let's check out the styling options. We'll start with branding and how to add your own logo. Open the branding section and click Browse to upload your file. FlowPaper will update the preview right away. Next, let's adjust the panel color. You'll find it in the toolbar navigation section. Click the panel color to choose a shade or type a hex code if you need a specific color. You'll see the top and side panels change immediately. Below that, there is Panel Alpha. This controls how transparent the side panels are. If you slide it to the right, they become more solid. I think I want them fully opaque, so I'm moving the slider all the way to the right. There, that looks good. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.